Bowl. Please accept my humble obeisances. All glories to Srila Prabhupada. I just wanted to post a quick book review, Divine or Demoniac, Spiritual Movements and the Enemies Within, from Dhanesvara Dasa, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. And this is a book about how Iskcon was infiltrated by the demons and how they actually are at the highest level of Iskcon, to stop this Sankirtan movement. And they also made this guru scam. You can read here from Prabhupada. Quote, there are many jealous people in the dress of Vaishnavas in this Krishna consciousness movement, and they should be completely neglected. A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, founder Acharya of the Hare Krishna movement. And Jesus Christ said, beware of the false prophets who come to you in sheep's clothing, but inwardly are ravenous wolves. Divine or Demonic examines the eerily parallel histories of two spiritual movements, exposing the infiltration of demoniac elements camouflaged as saints within them. This book examines the differences between a spiritual movement and a religious institution, explaining why and how spiritual movements tend to become institutionalized, and why spiritual institutions inevitably deviate from their original intended purpose. It is a valuable guidebook for those pursuing a connection to God free from interpretations of a priestly class. Anyone on a path to establish their eternal relationship with the absolute truth will find this book a revolutionary boost to their journey. You can order this book on Amazon in any country, USA, UK. Just go to your Amazon website and search for Divine or Demoniac. Hari Bol.